tragic case of the death of a Texas woman. For more than 2 years, the KVUE defenders have been tracking the case of Heidi Broussard. In late 2019, the Austin area mother and her baby Margot vanished for days, only for police to find her body in a trunk of a car outside of a Houston area home. Her daughter was found safe. Police arrested Broussard's childhood friend Magen Fieramusca.
And she is facing numerous charges, including kidnapping and capital murder. And this morning, Magen Fieramusca is scheduled to appear in a Travis County courtroom. Her attorneys are trying to stop some evidence from being presented at trial. KVUE's Bryce Newberry joins us now. And Bryce, explain to us what the defense is expected to argue today. What are their arguments?
Well, Rob and Yvonne, in just a few hours, we are expecting to hear closing arguments on an attempt by Magen Fieramusca's attorneys to throw out some evidence they claim was illegally obtained when investigators entered the Harris County home where she was without a search warrant. Earlier this year, Fieramusca appeared in court where lawyers argued about that evidence for 2 days. The defense claiming pictures and videos taken that day back in 2019 cannot be used at trial since there wasn't yet a search warrant, while prosecutors said law enforcement had the right to enter the home because baby Margot, Broussard's newborn, was possibly in danger. Prosecutors testified the home was not searched until those warrants were signed, but after more than 2 years, Broussard's family just wants some sense of closure and answers from the woman accused of murdering their daughter.
Came to our house, we loved you. You were welcomed into our home, and we cared for you in our home. You know, what were you thinking to murder our daughter?
Like we mentioned, Broussard's body was found in the trunk of this car parked outside of that Harris County home. Fieramusca was found inside the home with Broussard's baby, and investigators claim she pretended the baby was her own. So today's court hearing over what evidence can be included at trial is set for 9:15. We're told it should not be as long as the first part of this hearing back in March. Both sides will be able to make closing arguments, and the judge is expected to make a ruling. And Rob and Yvonne, Tammy Broussard told our Houston sister station that she just wants all of this to be finished so that her grandchildren are not still asking what happened.
Yeah, they want to move up. I mean, there's no disputing. It's a heinous crime. I can't imagine why they made that mistake with the search warrant. You would think that you would like dot every I, cross every T.
Oh, they were thinking about the safety of the baby. First off, they believe the baby was in danger, so you got to act on that danger right there. But the loopholes that exist. I understand the importance of search warrants, but my goodness.
Yeah, I mean, all signs point to her. Come on.
Yeah, they had run into her boyfriend when they were in the process of doing this investigation. And when they mentioned that the baby may not be his, it was his recommendation to go to the house and check on the baby. So that was part of what they argued in those 2 days of testimony back in March. And of course, now it's up to the judge to decide today.
That's a valid argument, though.
Absolutely.
He said, okay. Well, KVUE will be back in the courtroom today again. You can read the KVUE Defenders' complete coverage on the case at KVUE.com.